everyone, it's me Jessie with my mom here, and today we're going to show you how to create a snow globe with snowflakes drifting in the background effect on Scratch.
Let's do it. So first step, can you describe what you see here?
Well, we have a snow globe with the snowman and the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
And on the background we have snow and snowflakes that are falling down.
Okay. And can you describe the snowflake?
They're drifting down.
Drifting down. Do you have any idea how we can code all of this up?
No.
Okay. We'll figure it out. Not a problem. Step, we need to find a
background with a snow globe or something that has something to do with winter.
Okay, let me find. Nope.
There's nothing with snow.
Nothing with snow. Okay, so then in that case, you can either draw your own,
or you could upload it.
Upload it if you have one created. And in my case, I created a snow globe using some AI tools.
This is the image we created with AI.
Yes. Or you could even draw your own. But I want to get to the beautiful effect. Okay, so now I'm going to add a snowflake.
Yes, and we can make it smaller and white.
White.
Snowflakes aren't big, so you have to make it small.
Smaller and white. Okay, let's do that quickly.
And now just make the color white.
Okay.
Okay, so since we only have one snowflake, we need to get many so we can clone it.
Yes.
And
how do you do that?
I think we go to Control and Forever Loop because we want to keep cloning.
Yes.
And then you create clone of myself.
Okay. And I'm also going to add a weight block because I just don't want
too many clones.
Too many clones all showing at the same time, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to add a weight block.
That would be a storm.
That's true. Okay. Okay.
Flakes, making sure they start at the top. So we can do that by using when I start as clone.
Yes.
And then we put the coordinates.
Yes.
So go to X and Y.
Okay, what do you think X and Y should be?
X should be
very top, right?
Yeah, the very top. So that would be negative 240 to
240.
Regular 240.
Yeah, it's negative 240 to 240, and Y is 180. I'm going to do random negative 240 to 240. That's the X coordinate.
Yes.
And the Y coordinate is going to be
180.
180, the very top, right?
Okay.
And I'm also going to make the snowflakes all random in size.
Okay.
So
each snowflake is never the same.
Yes.
So they're probably not the same size as well as pattern and design.
Yes. So let's make random, let's say 10 and 40% because this is still pretty big. In fact, let's just quickly test it out. Okay, see the snowflakes at the top?
Yeah, but they're not coming down.
We're going to add the code for that. Okay, so to make them come down, we're going to make them glide all the way down, right?
Or drift.
Drift or glide. So there is a block called glide here. So we just go there, pick glide, and I am going to make it glide.
And we have to make it glide down to the coordinates of the very bottom.
Bottom is negative 180 for the Y.
Okay.
The X, I want it to be again random. And I want to drift, right?
Yes.
To create the drifting effect, I'm going to make the X.
Like to make it move side to side?
Side to side, yes, exactly. Right? To do that, I'm going to add some logic for the X. So basically, I take the X position and then I'm going to add a random negative 100 to 100. So that way it drifts side to side from the X all the way negative 100 or on the positive side X plus 100. You get that? No? Okay, so let me explain again, right? So I'm just setting everything up here, right? So I take my X and I make it glide side to side. So I take X and I either add negative 100 to it or positive 100 to it.
Yeah.
And that way when it's falling from the sky, it doesn't feel like it's just dropping straight down. It falls down, but it also drifts to either side. You see that?
Okay.
Okay. And even the gliding, maybe I want to glide a little slowly. Okay, so let's make it like 3 seconds and let's test this out. Right? It looks good.
It's too fast.
Too fast, yes. And I also feel that the snow is all falling at the same time, right? So I want to add some difference in the way it glides as well.
And also, I think the snow should start all the way back up instead of just piling up at the bottom.
That is a good point. Yes, let's fix that as well. Oh, I'm going to also make it glide at different speeds, right? So it's between. Let's try this out. So
3 to 5.
3 to 5 seconds. See this?
Oh yeah, some are moving a teensy-wincy bit faster, and others are moving a bit slower.
Yes. And I also see this little snowflake sticking at the top here.
Yeah.
Before you do all this, you just hide it, and then once you fix the coordinates, you show it again. So I'm also going to go here, and I'm going to hide it at the very top. Let's try this. And now you show it once you fix the coordinates, right? Let's try that out. See, the big snowflake is gone.
Yes.
That's something about the piling up, right?
Yes.
We forgot to do something. What was that?
Maybe we could delete the cone after it's all the way at the bottom.
Yes, let's try that out.
So let's see.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait till it gets to the bottom. Okay, just
works.
Yeah.
Good.